She took a train going west to Louisiana. Empty pockets, half-forgotten dreams, junkyard smokestacks clicked past her window. Small boat on a vagabond sea. There were times when love came easy. There were times when it rained so hard. Washed her clean with thunder and thistles, left her counting the scars. Carry me home, still river, carry me home to my used to be. No use knocking on a door that won't open. No, still river, rock me to sleep. Daddy said he'd be working late at the brickyard. Leave a key in the glove box of the car. Mama's gone to that great ever after, safe in Jesus' arms. The lights were bright, but the stars were broken. Boulevards filled up with faded marquees. Every night, street light whispered, same old blue melody. Carry me home, still river, carry me home to my used to be. No use knocking when the door won't open. No, still river, would you rock me? Still river, rock me now. Still river, rock me to sleep.